Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Sulisha Waliani Utama from the Bachelor of Nursing program. Currently in my third semester. With student ID number 124070270. In this presentation, I will explaining the material treating kidneys and nurse John on the ward. This presentation is part of the video reading record, which is a reading record referred in video format. The kidneys. There are two kidneys in the body and they are situated on either side of the vertebral column. Between the musculus of the back and abdomen, each kidney is approximately 10 cm long, 6 cm wide, and 4 cm thick. Each one weighs about 140 grams. The major function of the kidneys is to remove the produce from the body and producing urine. They contain about 1 million microscopic unit called nephron. Their function is to research and filter all the blood in the body on every 12 minutes. They remove the material from the blood and return astral substances to the circulation. In this way, they enable the blood pressure to remain constant. The process of filtering the blood is as follows. First of all, blood enters the kidneys from the renal artery and flows in intraglomerulary small knot of capillaries, which acts as a filtrous fluid, then passes into Bowman capsule, but the filtress does not allow blood clots and large protein musculus to enter the capsule. As the filtrate fluid passes on, 80% of the water and sodium salt in it are removed in the collection dust where the water is again removed. The contracted unit enter the pelvis, passes into the urethra, and finally enter the bladder. Nurse Jane on the ward. Do you remember John Johnson? She is her friend Joan Cameron. Are both nurses the work at St. Peter's Hospital, a teaching hospital in London. Joan did her training at St. Peter, and last year she faced her stents, finals, and qualified. She is an CRN and she is working as a staff nurse in a medical ward. Jane is a student nurse and still training. Last month, she worked in one of the hospital's surgical wards. She learned to release for sterile procedures such as surgical dressing, intravenous infusion, and catheterization. She carried out carotid procedures herself and assisted doctor with others. She often had to go to the central supply department to fetch central dressing pumps. Sometimes she took patient to the X-ray department of the occupational therapy unit. This month, Jen is working in the same ward as Joan. She is learning to nurse patients suffering from diseases such as cardiac infarction, cerebral hemorrhage, cerebral thrombosis, and pneumonia. At the moment, she is helping a staff nurse to give injection. The staff nurse is explaining to her the doses, action, and side aspect of the drug they are administering. The other nurses in the ward are carrying out various nursing duties. Some are doing bed bath, one is helping a patient to get out of bed, and another is taking CPRS. A doctor is doing a workaround, and a physiotherapy is helping a pneumonia patient to the deep breathing exercise.